Welcome students. In today's class, we will learn the next part of our matrices chapter, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is also a type of matrices. So we have learned various type of matrices in previous classes of matrices. These are the next two types of our matrices, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We will learn one by one. So first I will learn what you mean by symmetric matrix. Okay. If A is a square matrix and A transpose is equal to A. If the transpose of A is again equal to A, then A is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So what you mean by symmetric matrix? Any square matrix whose transpose is equal to same matrix. If you apply the transpose to the any matrix, after applying the transpose, that is converting rows to the columns, again you will get the same matrix, that is A only, then that matrix is known as the symmetric matrix. So for example, I will consider a one matrix A like this: 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 8. So see here, this is a one matrix A whose order is 3 by 3. So now I will find out the A transpose. How to find out the A transpose? As in previous video we have studied. So you have to write the rows as the columns. So what will be the row? 1, 0, 2, I will write it as column. 0, 3, minus 4. Okay. Next 2, minus 4, 8. So see here, both the matrices are equal. Row 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 8. So after applying the transpose also, the matrix is same as first matrix only. So we can say that A is a symmetric matrix. So in further next classes, so every time we can't take the transpose and equating, so to get the whether this matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. By seeing only we can say that this matrix is symmetric or not. So for that purpose we have one trick, that is, so see here, this is a square matrix, 1, 3, 8 is the diagonal. Okay, this is our diagonal. If I try to fold this matrix with reference to this diagonal. So considering this diagonal as a reference, I try to fold this one. So if I try to fold this one, okay, so if I fold this one, there will be one triangle like shape. So after folding, there will be coinciding elements. So after this folding, just imagine I have fold like this. So this 2 comes, coincides with 2, 0 coincides with 0, minus 4 coincides with minus 4. So this coinciding elements should be same. The non-diagonal elements like this. This element, and this element, this element, this element and this element should be same. Here also 0, 0, 2, 2, minus 4, minus 4. This diagonal elements may be anything, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, this may be anything, but the coinciding elements, the non-diagonal elements should be same. Then directly we can say that this matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So similarly we will learn what is skew symmetric. If A is any square matrix and A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay. So after applying the transpose, if we got as minus A, then this A matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. For example, I will take the A matrix as like this. Plus 2 minus 3 0. So see here, this is the A matrix. So I have to find out whether this is a skew symmetric or not. So for that I have to find out the A transpose. So I have found out the A transpose. A transpose means rows to the column. 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. Okay. From this directly we can't say that A dash is equal to minus A. So see here, A is 0, 1, minus 2, but A dash is 0, minus 1, 2. Both are not equal. So for that I will find out the minus A. Minus A means I have to multiply A minus sign to the all the elements of A matrix. So I will multiply minus. Minus into 0, 0, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 2. Next, plus 1, 0, minus 3, minus 2, plus 3, 0. So now, can we say that A dash is equal to minus A? See here, transpose of A is equal to minus A. From this, we can say that A is a skew symmetric. So, for skew symmetric, one condition is compulsory, that is, the diagonal element should be always 0. That is, note, all the diagonal elements should be 0. In skew symmetric matrix. In every skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements should be 0 and coinciding elements. So here, this is A matrix. After folding, the coinciding elements are 1 minus 1, minus 2, 2, 3 minus 3. Here the numbers are same, only signs are reversed. Here 1 is there, here minus 1, minus 2, plus 2, 3, minus 3. So, for the skew symmetric, the condition is whenever the diagonal elements are equal to 0 and the coinciding non-diagonal elements should be same in the number but reversed in the sign. They must have the reverse signs, plus, minus, minus, plus, plus, minus. So, this is skew symmetric and skew symmetric. So, for symmetric, coinciding elements should be same exactly with sign and with number, and the diagonal element should be anything. But in skew symmetric, diagonal elements should be equal to 0 and the coinciding element should be same in number but signs are reversed. If plus is there, one should be negative. Okay? This is known as symmetric and skew symmetric. So, I will move to the next one. So, tell me students, this given example. First one, that is 0AB minus A0 minus C and minus BC0 is which type of matrix? So, now you are studying symmetric and skew symmetric. So, tell me whether this is a symmetric or skew symmetric. So, after seeing only first the diagonal elements are all equal to 0. So, we can check for symmetric and skew symmetric both. So, see here 0, 0, 0 and this is A, the coinciding element is minus A, here B, minus C, C. So, it satisfies the conditions of skew symmetric matrix. So we can say that this is a skew symmetric matrix. That is, all the diagonal elements are equal to 0. If any one diagonal element is equal to A, this is not a skew symmetric, because for skew symmetric all the diagonal elements should be 0, but they have given A, so it should be not. Okay, but they have already given this is at 0, it is a skew symmetric matrix. If this same matrix is given like this, I will take second one, 1 A B A 2 C B C 3, like this. Now tell me, this is symmetric or skew symmetric? So diagonal elements are 1 2 3. Not equal to 0, then it can't be skew symmetric. So let it be skew symmetric. It is not a skew symmetric matrix. Just to check for symmetric. So diagonal elements are anything. The coinciding elements here, A. Okay, B, C. So it is a symmetric matrix. If for default they have given the minus, then also it is not a symmetric, because A same, C same, but B and minus B, these both are not same. So all non-diagonal coinciding elements should be same. So it can't be symmetric. But now this is a symmetric matrix. So by seeing directly only we can say, it's not necessary to check that A dash is equal to A dash is equal to minus A. But if they told to prove that this is a symmetric and skew symmetric, you have to show that A dash is equal to A. If for example, show that A B minus A 0 minus C minus B C 0 is skew symmetric. Then here we can't directly say that it is a skew symmetric. Here we have to solve and show that if this is a matrix, then A transpose is equal to minus A. Once you have proved, then only we can say that this is a skew symmetric. Directly we can't say. So first I will find out the A transpose. What is A transpose? 0 A B minus A 0 minus C minus B C 0. Okay? 0 minus A minus B, A 0 C, B minus C 0. Next. So minus A is like this. For I have to multiply minus to the A. 0 minus A minus B, A 0 C plus B minus C 0. Now we can directly say that A dash is equal to minus A. Both are same. Yes. So A dash is equal to minus A. Then A is a skew symmetric matrix. A is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Like this, if they told to prove that or show that it is symmetric or skew symmetric, you have to prove that A dash equal to A for the symmetric, A dash is equal to minus A for the skew symmetric matrix. Next. So here there is a one theorem. Okay. If A is any square matrix then A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. So, if A is any square matrix, they have told that A is any square matrix, and then A plus A dash, whenever you will add A to the A dash, it is a square matrix, and if you subtract A minus A dash, it is a skew symmetric matrix. So, now I have to give the proof for this theorem. Okay, are you getting? This is the theorem, I have to give the proof. So, see here, I will solve the proof here. So, how to solve? So, proof is, first I will prove that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. So, they have given that A is any square matrix. Now, I have to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. Now, I have to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. Okay. So, for that I will consider a one matrix B is equal to A plus A dash. Okay. So, whenever you will add the two matrix, you will get the one matrix. So, I will take this as a B. So, B is A plus A dash, then I have to show that B is symmetric matrix. So, what is the condition for B symmetric? To prove B is symmetric, show that B dash is equal to B. So, if you want to prove that any matrix is symmetric, it's necessary and sufficient condition that B dash is equal to B. If the transpose of a matrix is equal to same matrix, then given matrix is a symmetric matrix. So, I will prove that B dash equal to B. So, first I will take B dash. Okay, what is B? B, A plus A dash transpose. Okay, next, all of you know that the properties of transpose, that is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Yes, in last video only we have studied. So, can I apply here? A transpose plus, already A transpose is there, I have to apply here transpose. So, next I will write A transpose plus A transpose is A. We know the another one property, transpose is A. Yes. Next, we know that matrix addition is commutative. So, A dash plus A is A plus A dash. Next, B dash is equal to, what is A plus A dash? That is B. B dash is equal to B. We have proved. So, this implies that B is symmetric. So, B means what? A plus A dash. So, we can say that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Okay. B dash is equal to B. So, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix because B is symmetric. So, B is A plus A dash. Similarly, can we solve for A minus A dash is a skew symmetric? They have given that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. I will solve here. I will rub this statement. So, second one, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So, I will take another one matrix C as A minus A dash. For skew symmetric, what is condition? I have to show that C dash is equal to minus C. Yes, any matrix transpose is equal to minus C, then this is a skew symmetric matrix. So that's why I will take C dash. C is A minus A dash transpose. So again applying the same property, I have to write here A dash minus A dash dash. Okay. Next, A dash as it is, A dash transpose. Transpose to the transpose, I have to get A only. But they have, our C is A minus A dash. Here A dash minus A. So can I take the minus sign common? If I take a minus sign common, what you will get? A minus A dash. Okay. Here please write the properties which we have. So A minus B dash is equal to A dash minus B dash, and here A transpose is equal to A. Okay. Next, minus, what is A minus A dash? That is C. C transpose is equal to minus C. Hence, this implies that C, that is A minus A dash, is which matrix? Skew symmetric matrix? S. Symmetric matrix. Okay. With this, we have completed our proof. Just consider one matrix and prove that B dash is equal to B for symmetric, C dash is equal to minus C for skew symmetric matrix. Okay.